What's the meaning of convector? Convector. Convector.
Convector. Convector. A convector is a type of heating device that operates by passing air over a heated element, such as an electric coil or hot water-filled radiator. As the air passes over the heated surface, it becomes warm and rises, creating a convective current that circulates the warmed air throughout the room. This process is typically more energy efficient than traditional radiators since it relies on convection currents instead of radiant heat. Convectors are commonly found in homes and commercial buildings and are often used as a supplemental heating source or as the primary heating system in mild climates.